And wait, is that a mini invoice? It seriously looks like a real package delivery. I cannot believe this. I'm honestly freaking out. This is so cute. Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today's video is gonna be so much fun because we're opening these tiny little boxes. I spotted these at LOFT while I was browsing the stationery section, as always, and they instantly caught my eye. I had zero idea what was inside. I didn't look them up before buying, and honestly, I still haven't. I'll also share where you can find them in Japan and check if they're available overseas too. So guess what? I actually picked up 5 of these miniature sticker boxes. They are from a brand called Greeting Life Incorporated. And I grabbed the last 5 that were left on the LOFT shelves. Talk about good timing, right? Here's what I got. The first one is Joe's Market. It looks like groceries, maybe snacks, peanut butter, yeah, something snacks. And it says it has 40 stickers inside. I have no clue what's actually inside, but I'm really excited. So next one is the Creamy Hills Farm. Well, I think it's gonna be milk, butter, cheese, something dairy. And it says it has 40 stickers inside. The next one is the Cat Supply. I think it's gonna be cat food, cat toys. That's so cute. I really cannot wait. It says it has 39 stickers inside. The next one is the seafood stickers. I got a hunch it's gonna be a fish market vibes. Yeah, and it has 42 stickers inside. Okay, and next is the bakery. Okay, of course, this is gonna be full of bread and pastries, and it has 41 stickers inside. So let's unbox them now. Alright, first up, Joe's Market. Let's take off the plastic. Oh my gosh, there's tiny bubble wrap inside, and wait, is that a mini invoice? It seriously looks like a real package delivery. I cannot believe this. Oh my, I'm so in love. This is beyond adorable. I'm honestly freaking out. This is so cute. I'll be taking everything out. And yes, oh my gosh, look at these tiny groceries. There's a little shopping cart, mini ice cream, and even a mini detergent. They're so detailed and adorable. Actually, lately, I've really been into miniatures. I just love tiny things. They're so charming and incredibly cute. There's something really satisfying about looking at them. It's hard to explain, but they just make me feel happy. They spark a little joy in me, and I think that's why I've been drawn to collecting them lately. Now, I want you to see how cute they really are, like seriously. Alright, stationery friends, we still have 4 boxes left, and this is the next one. Let's take a look and see what's inside. I love pufferfish. I seriously love them. I just think they're so cute. There's something about their round little face that I cannot resist. I'm not sure if I'll use this one in my journal or just keep it. Honestly, it's so cute that I might save it. Oh, and this pair of squids, just adorable. So, these are the contents of the seafood themed sticker box. Everything is so cute and detailed. Now, let's proceed to the next box. Out of all boxes, this is the one I was the most excited about. And oh my gosh, look at this. It's a whole world of cats. There's a teeny tiny cat house, a food bowl, and even a miniature newspaper. Like, who even thinks of that? It seriously feels like a tiny cat universe packed into this box, and I'm living for it. I'm so obsessed. It's amazing how these tiny pieces capture so much personality. Perfect for cat lovers and journal enthusiasts. Actually, I'm completely in love with this. That's why I bought the bakery themed one too. Because honestly, cats, bakeries, and coffee, that's like the ultimate trio for me. They're such cozy and cute themes and perfect for journaling. Okay, now let's take a closer look at each sticker so you can really see the details. Next up is the bakery box. Just like I mentioned earlier, I actually bought this together with the cat set because I really feel like they both fit me so well. They match the kind of vibe I want to create in my journaling and the feeling I want to express through my pages. Just look at these stickers. They're seriously adorable and the quality, it's honestly impressive. These aren't those flat, low-resolution printed ones. These feel premium, so you can really see the details in each design. It's almost like you could pick them up and eat them. Yeah, they look that real. I'm honestly so impressed with how well made they are. Now, let's take a closer look at the details. This may be the last box, but definitely not the least because it's one of my favorites. It's filled with dairy-themed stickers like yogurt, milk, and butter. I'm always journaling about what I eat each day, so using these stickers to decorate my daily food log just feels super practical and fun at the same time. I know I've said the word cute like 100 times today, but seriously, how else can I describe this? Every little detail is just so cute, I can't help it. Honestly, I think I'm kind of addicted. I might even do a part 2, grab more sets from LOFT because they seriously make the tiniest, most detailed, and highest quality stickers I've ever seen. Everything is just perfection. If you're wondering where to get these adorable Hako Seal mini box stickers, here's where to look. If you're outside Japan, no worries. There are plenty of shops that ship worldwide. Check out Etsy. There's also Zakasine in Sweden, Atlas Stationers, and Psycho Stationery in the US. Plus Parchment Paper LA, La Petite Cute Shop, and the Camel Station in Canada. In Japan, you can find them out at LOFT, Tokyo Hands, most stationery specialty shops, the stationery sections of department stores, and Amazon Japan. Quick disclaimer, I can't guarantee that these products are available at all the stores I mentioned, so please reach out to them directly to check availability. If you're a fan of Japanese stationery, drop a comment and tell me what you'd like me to unbox next. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know how you feel about these cute miniature boxes. I'm totally obsessed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next stationery date. Bye bye!